Today I will talk about how to fix Windows 10 microphone not working. So first of all, what you gotta do is go to the left corner on the start menu, click on start menu, go to setting. So once you're in the setting, you just have to scroll down, go to privacy, click on privacy, and on the left corner you will see left side you'll see microphone under camera location. So microphone, click on microphone, and once you're in this page, you got to make sure that allow all app to access your microphone is turned on. If it's off, please turn it off, otherwise it's not going to work. So as you can see on the choose on the Microsoft Store app can access your microphone, so you can manually choose which app you want to use on the microphone, or you don't want the apps not to access your microphone. So as you can see here, most of the apps are on and few of the apps that I choose is off. So that way you can make sure if it's turned on, and so thus that way you can fix your microphone. So another way you can do is go to the start menu and type in Device Manager. So once you type in Device Manager, go to from control panel. In Device Manager, you will see audio input and output. You see the right arrow, click on the arrow, and here you will see headphone, it'll take high definition audio, headset microphone, speaker. So first of all, let's start with headset microphone. So update driver. So what you gotta do is update driver and search for automatically updated driver software. Click on here, searching for all the drivers. So usually it takes a moment to update, and it will automatically detect the problem and solve the problem. So as you can see, the best driver for you is for device is already installed, so I don't have any problem with that. So, and you can also go for the speaker as well. The speaker, you update the driver, search for audio, click on here, and same thing, it will take a few moments and it will probably work. This is the two method that I usually use. I try it from the control panel, I try from the privacy. So as you can see, it says the best driver for your device is already installed, so it's working. So you close that, and this is it, and restart your computer. Make sure you restart your computer and try that away if it works. So if you like the video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video.